We took the visit on Monday, of course, as an inspiration to show you one thing which is actually child-proof. And this is the configuration and the commissioning of an XPlanar system. I'm very delighted to have another young colleague with me here. Nico, thank you for joining me. We have here our wonderful XPlanar starter kit. 2 tiles, 320 by 320 millimeters, one beautiful mover, a nice PC. How do we get it running?
So, our configuration process includes 3 main steps. It takes less than 5 minutes. And how about I give you a quick demonstration of it?
Okay, clock is running. The first step is the scan, right?
Yes. So the first step is to scan our hardware to actually know what kind of hardware do we have and how many do we have. For this we can go into our I/O tree, add our EtherCAT master, select the port where the hardware is connected, and then just automatically scan and get all of our information that we need.
Okay, so this is the same principle which would also be working for our I/O devices. Yeah? So the EtherCAT telegram basically starts in the PC, then goes through all the attached devices, and then you sometimes discover an XPlanar, but it could also be a bus coupler with an I/O terminal. So very, very straightforward principle, a classic back-off technology.
Exactly.
The second step is the configurator, right?
Yes. So now we have to tell our system how is our arrangement of our system. And for this we have our graphical configurator. And if you open it, it looks like a chessboard in the first place.
Okay.
But actually it is our coordinate system.
Okay.
And you can just place your tiles in the exact spot where the layout is and select the serial number, so our system knows which hardware is at which position.
Okay, so you select the tiles, arrange them in the way you like, and then you tell the system, okay, this is BTN L9YQ, and this is another one. And then we have all the participants. How about the movers?
For the mover, it is quite similar. We go just next to it on the mover tab, and we can just place our mover on top of our tiles.
Okay, and last but not least, we have to take care of the arrangement of the performance of the PC, right?
Yes. So for that, we can select our reassign module button, and so we can have a perfect CPU balance, so our performance is exactly on top.
Also automatically done, completely childproof. Okay, now we have set the table. We need to get things moving now with the motion UI, right?
So now we are able to move our mover without needing any line of code. So first of all, we have our environment view, where you can watch how your movers are moving and how they are acting in the system.
Nice visual interface.
Yes, as a visual interface. And you can also command your mover and move each axis individually.
So plain jogging X, Y, but also the other degrees of freedom. You can jog the Z axis, make a full rotation, bolt your tool to it, get a feeling for how does it behave. But I think there is one more thing which we can also do with it, right?
So for more complex sequences, we have our sequence builder. There you have a toolbox, and you can just take your move to position commands or move your X commands, and also maybe build in some waiting times, and you can build yourself some own testing sequence.
Okay, just like video editing. And we have prepared a small motion video for you, which we are now executing. So a couple of move position and move C commands which we are aligning, and then you really can almost simulate the behavior of a machine on a small car without a single line of code, right?
Without a single line of code.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Okay, this is how you can commission an XPlanar system. Thank you so much, Nico. Have a wonderful day here with the demo. See you later.